Hello friends, in today's lecture we will be understanding series completion type 3, which is finding out the wrong number. Students, we have already seen finding out missing numbers. Now let us find out how to find the wrong number. इसमें हमें एक सीरीज दिया होगा एंड उस सीरीज में हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि कौन सा नंबर है वो रॉन्ग है. तो वो नंबर एक पैटर्न को फॉलो नहीं करेगा, उस नंबर को हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. तो चलिए चलते हैं फाइंडिंग आउट द रॉन्ग नंबर. तो चलिए चलते हैं फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू की तरफ. इट सेज 121, 143, 165, 186 एंड 209. तो फर्स्ट हम देखते हैं पैटर्न. द फर्स्ट टू डिजिट्स और द फर्स्ट टू नंबर्स आर 121 एंड 143. अब पैटर्न ये कहता है कि अगर मैं 121 में 22 जोड़ूं तो मुझे मिलता है 143. चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट दो नंबर्स, वो है 143 एंड 165. तो 143 में अगर मैं 22 फिर से जोड़ूं तो मुझे मिलता है 165. तो यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे एक पैटर्न बनते हुए दिख रहा है, वो है +22 का. तो अगर मैं 165 में 22 जोड़ूं तो क्या मिलना चाहिए, चलिए देखते हैं. तो मुझे मिलना चाहिए 187, बट सीरीज में एक नंबर दिया है वो है 186 जो पैटर्न को फॉलो नहीं कर रहा. तो अगर मैं 165 में 22 जोड़ूं तो मुझे आंसर मिलना चाहिए 187, बट यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है 186. सो दैट नंबर विल बी द रॉन्ग नंबर सिंस इट इज नॉट फॉलोइंग द पैटर्न. हेंस द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज 186. The question says 4, 10, 22, 46, 96, 190 and 382. So as usual चलिए देखते हैं pattern. The first two numbers is 4 and 10. तो इन दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस है 6. Next we go for 10 and 22. The difference between them is of 12. Then we go for 22 and 46. Here we get the difference to be as 24. Like if we add 22 plus 24 we get 46. Now we are understanding a pattern that once we start with the number 6 and once when we keep doubling it, we have to get such kind of an answer which consistently gives us the series. So first we started out with 6, then we went for 12. 12 into 2 is giving us 24. 24 multiplied by 2 should give us 48. So let us check out if we are getting the complete series or not. So students, अगर मैं पैटर्न देखूं तो मुझे मिलना चाहिए था 94, बट मुझे यहाँ पे मिल रहा है आंसर एज 96. So the answer to this question is 96. Now let us look at the next series which says 125, 126, 124, 127, 123 and 129. So let us see the pattern. If I take the first two numbers which is 125 and 126, get a pattern of +1. Then we go for 126 and 124. Now the difference between 126 and 124 is -2. If I subtract 2 from 126, I get the answer to be as 124. Next, I go for 124 and 127. So the difference between them is of +3. Next one is 127 and 123. Now if I go for the pattern, it gives me 127 and 123, which is nothing but -4. So students, if I look at the pattern, let us see what we get. We had gone for +1, then we went for -2, then we went for +3, then minus 4. So the next one has to be plus 5. So now if I add 5 numbers to 123, my answer should be 123 plus 5, which is giving me 128. So am I having 128 in the series? No. We are having 129 as a series. Hence the answer to this question is 129. Now let us go for the next MCQ. It says 325, 259, 202, 160, 127, 105 and 94. Now let us go for the first two digits as usual. I go for 325 and 259. So now let us find out the pattern. Now if I go for the difference, which is 325 and 259, let us see what we get. I get the answer to be as 66. Now let us go for the next pattern, which says 259 and 202. So are we getting a specific pattern right now? Let us check it out. Now students, let me see the last two numbers, which is 94 and 105. So students, I get the difference as 11. Then when we go for 127 and 105, we get 22. So students, if we look at the pattern, we get the tables of 11, which is 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66 and so on. Now if we look at the second pattern, which was 259 and 202, we get the difference as 57. But we should have got the answer as 55. We had to get the pattern as 55. But have we got the pattern as 55? No. We have got the pattern to be as 57. So if we go for the rest of the numbers, we are definitely getting a table of 11. In short, we get the difference of the multiples of 11, like 11, 22, 33, 44 and so on. But in the second pattern, we are getting 57 and not 55. Hence, let us see the answer. The answer to this question is 202. We should have got 204, but we have got 202. Hence, the answer to this question is option B, which is 202. अब चलिए चलते हैं नेक्स्ट MCQ की ओर. MCQ कहता है कि 380, 188, 92, 48, 28 and 2. So, now let us look at the difference between the first two numbers. The first number is 380, whereas the second number is 188. So if we look at the difference, it is 192. Next, we go for 188 and 92. So we get the answer to be as 96. So if you look at the first pattern, it was 192. The first difference was 192. The second difference was 96. So if we take the first number as 192, we have divided it by 2, we get the answer to be as 96. So we are getting a pattern of taking the numbers and dividing it by 2. Now if you take the difference of 96 and divide it by 2, you get 96 divided by 2, which is giving you 48. So let us see if we are getting the answer, which is giving us a difference of 48. Now let us see 92 and 48. If we go for this, we get the difference to be as 44. But do we require 44, students? We had required the answer to be as 48. We required difference to be as 48. But we have got the difference as 44. So is the answer right? No, the answer is wrong. Hence, we can say that the answer to this question is 48. So let us do a quick recap of what we have done in this sum. We had taken the first two numbers, we got their difference. the difference was 192. Then we went for the second number, which was 188 and 92. The difference gave us 92. So if you look at the two differences, which was 192 and 96, we got the answer as half. Okay. Next we went for the third number and the fourth number. The difference here was 44, which had to be 48. Hence directly we can say that the answer was option B, which was 48. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to Informatica and do subscribe our channel.